Apple just did something crazy. They did not host a flashy event. They did not post a press release. They did not even send out a tweet. They just quietly updated their website in the dead of night, and the internet is completely freaking out. If you go to the official Apple store right now to buy the legendary $599 M4 Mac Mini, you're going to get a massive shock. You will not find it. It is completely gone, vanished, erased from the lineup as if it never existed. The cheapest option available right now is $799, and there is no sign of the budget-friendly model ever returning. This is not a website glitch. This is not a temporary shipping delay. This is a massive, calculated move by Apple, and it signals something huge happening behind the closed doors of Apple Park. This sudden disappearance has sent buyers into a state of total panic. People who were saving up for that affordable entry point into the Mac ecosystem are now scrambling. They are asking themselves if they should rush to buy leftover stock from third-party sellers, or if they should wait for the upcoming M5 model. Searches for the M5 Mac Mini are going absolutely viral right now. Everyone wants to know the release date, the new price, and if the wait is actually worth it. To truly understand why Apple would suddenly kill off one of their best-selling computers, you have to look at the massive storm brewing in the tech world. Two huge forces are colliding right now. The first force is the explosive boom of artificial intelligence. But this is not about cloud AI like ChatGPT. This is about local AI. The M4 Mac Mini turned out to be a total beast for running AI right on the desk. Apple built it with a unified memory architecture. This means the brain of the computer and the graphics processor share the exact same pool of super-fast memory. Developers and tech nerds quickly realized that this $599 machine could run massive AI language models. Normally, you would need massive, expensive cloud servers to do this work. You would have to pay huge monthly subscription fees. Instead, people started buying multiple cheap Mac Minis. They linked them together to build their own private AI server farms right in their bedrooms and offices. It was a genius hack. What started as a fun experiment for computer geeks turned into a massive worldwide trend. Small businesses realized they could save thousands of dollars a month by running their own AI on a stack of Mac Minis. Demand for the base model absolutely skyrocketed. People were buying them in bulk. Apple probably expected to sell one Mac Mini per customer. Instead, people were checking out with 5 or 10 at a time. This insane demand would have been a problem on its own, but it crashed headfirst into a second, much darker problem for the tech industry. We are currently facing a massive global RAM shortage. Computer memory has become incredibly expensive and hard to find. Even a trillion-dollar giant like Apple cannot just snap its fingers and make more RAM appear. The supply chain is choked. High-performance memory is the bottleneck of the entire tech world right now. Apple had to look at their limited supply of RAM and make a brutal choice. They had to decide which computers were actually worth building. The profit margins on a $599 machine are very small. When component prices go up, that small profit vanishes entirely. The situation got so tight that Apple quietly started removing memory-heavy upgrades from their other computers too. When Apple starts cutting products because they cannot find the parts, you know the global supply chain is in serious trouble. So, the cheap M4 Mac Mini is dead. That chapter is closed. Now, all eyes are on the future. Everyone is looking at the upcoming M5 chip. Early leaks are pouring out of the supply chain, and they paint a wild picture. Apple is not just giving us a small speed bump this year. They are completely changing the game. Rumors say the M5 will use a brand new Fusion-style design. Normally, the different parts of a computer are spread out. The CPU is in one spot. The GPU is in another. Apple is changing this by using advanced packaging to smash multiple silicon dies incredibly close together. They are squeezing the brain, the graphics, and the memory into a ridiculously tight space. This sounds like a minor detail, but it changes everything. By putting the parts closer together, the data does not have to travel as far. This drastically lowers latency. It means the computer can think much faster. The leaked performance numbers are staggering. We are hearing reports of a 45% improvement in graphics performance compared to the M4. A 45% jump in a single generation is massive. This means the base M5 Mac Mini will be able to handle heavy workloads that used to require a massive desktop tower. If you're a video editor working in Final Cut Pro, your render times will drop like a rock. If you are a 3D artist, your workflow will become incredibly smooth. If you are a software developer, your code will compile in a fraction of the time. Many people who used to buy the expensive Mac Studio might just buy a base Mac Mini instead. It will be that good. But raw speed is just one piece of the puzzle. Apple is pouring a massive amount of money into artificial intelligence. The M5 chip is going to feature a completely redesigned neural engine. The neural engine is the dedicated part of the chip that handles AI math. The leaks suggest this new engine could be several times faster than the one in the M4. This turns the tiny Mac Mini into a professional-grade AI workstation. We are moving into an era where people want AI running on their own devices. People are tired of sending their private data to cloud servers. They want to keep their files secure. They want instant results without an internet connection. The M5 will make this possible. You will be able to run advanced coding assistants, generate complex text, and automate your entire workflow right on the machine. It will feel like magic. Of course, this introduces a massive physical problem. You cannot put that much power into a tiny metal box without creating heat. Heat is the enemy of electronics. If a computer gets too hot, it has to slow itself down to survive. This is called thermal throttling. Apple knows they have to fix this. Rumors say they are completely redesigning the internal cooling system for the M5 Mac Mini. They're creating a new thermal structure to pull the heat away from the chip faster than ever before. The Mac Mini has always been famous for running completely silent. You can push it to the absolute limit, and you will never hear a fan spinning. Apple is working hard to keep that silent magic alive while still delivering insane power. For the true power users out there, there is even more good news. The supply chain leaks also point to an M5 Pro variant of the Mac Mini. This upgraded version is expected to bring support for Thunderbolt 5. Thunderbolt 5 is a massive deal for professionals. It doubles the data transfer speeds of the current ports. If you work with massive 8K video files or huge external hard drives, Thunderbolt 5 will change your life. It clears the bottleneck. It turns the Mac Mini into the ultimate hub for a high-end creative studio. Now, we have to talk about the biggest questions on everyone's mind. How much will it cost, and when can you actually buy it? The latest leaks point to a starting price of around $699. Yes, that is more expensive than the old $599 price tag. But there's a silver lining. Rumors suggest this new base model will finally start with 512 gigabytes of storage. Apple has been giving us 256 gigabytes for years, and it was simply never enough space. If the $699 price includes double the storage, a much faster M5 chip, and a 45% graphics boost, it is still an incredible bargain. It might actually be the best value computer on the market. As for the release date, top industry insiders like Mark Gurman believe Apple will announce the M5 Mac Mini at WWDC in 2026. WWDC is their big developer conference in June. However, there is a catch. Announcing the product is one thing. Shipping the product is another. Because of those ongoing global supply chain issues and the severe RAM shortage, actual shipments might be heavily delayed. You might see the announcement in June, but you might not get the computer on your desk until much later in the year. This creates a very stressful situation for buyers. The old rule of buying Apple products was simple. You wait for the new model to come out, and then you buy the older model for a huge discount. But that rule is completely broken right now. The market has totally flipped. Because Apple killed the $599 M4 model, the supply has dried up. People are panicking. If you look at third-party websites right now, the prices for used M4 Mac Minis are actually going up. They are becoming rare items. If you wait too long hoping for a deal, you might just miss out entirely. So what should you actually do? It all depends on your current situation. If your computer is dead right now, or If you desperately need a machine for work today, go find an M4 Mac Mini. Search online, check local stores, and if you find one for a fair price, buy it immediately. The M4 is still an absolute powerhouse, and it will easily last you for the next 5 to 7 years. It is a fantastic machine. However, if your current computer works fine and you can afford to be patient, you should absolutely wait. Hold on to your cash. The jump to the M5 chip, the massive graphics boost, the local AI capabilities, and the potential 512 gigabytes of base storage make the M5 worth the wait. Despite all the chaos, the confusion, and the rising prices, the Mac Mini remains in a league of its own. No other company on Earth is making a desktop computer this small, this quiet, and this powerful. The value is still undeniable. The M5 redesign is going to push the boundaries of what a compact computer can do, and I genuinely believe it will be the standard by which all other mini PCs are judged for years to come. In my honest opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be the most exciting desktop Apple has released in a decade. The shift toward local AI processing is not just a trend. It is the future of computing, and Apple is positioning the Mac Mini perfectly to be the ultimate at-home AI workhorse. Even with a potential price bump to $699, getting 512 gigabytes of base storage paired with a Fusion-designed M5 chip offers staggering value for both everyday users and creative professionals. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of all the biggest tech leaks, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who needs a new Mac, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.